Is your BMW X5 E53 alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the tailgate wiring, the bonnet hood switch, and the Siren's internal battery. Here are the three main areas to check: tailgate wiring, bonnet switch, and Siren battery. Start by checking the tailgate wiring for corrosion or damage, especially if you live in a wet climate. Then, inspect the bonnet switch to ensure it's properly aligned and not corroded. Use an OBD2 scanner with BMW-specific software like Carly for BMW to check for error codes such as A0118, which is often related to alarm sensors. Remember, proper diagnosis is key before replacing any parts, as hasty fixes can lead to further issues. For tailgate wiring issues, replace any damaged harnesses. Use a multimeter to ensure continuity. A forum-sourced wiring kit costs around $50. If the bonnet switch is faulty, clean the contacts or replace the switch. A new one costs around $25. For the Siren battery, it's an internal 9 volts that depletes over time. Replacing the entire Siren unit, approximately $100, is recommended over a DIY battery swap due to potential complications. Keep in mind that aftermarket parts are widely available and affordable. Always disconnect the battery during repairs to avoid electrical damage.